Okay, I'm at my park and there's a bunny. And we're gonna get it on tape, and if we don't, then fuck. But we're gonna get it. You can't see it from here. But it's over there. And I'm hoping I can get close enough to get a clear picture of it. You see it? Shh. It's right there. It's moving. It's moving again. I should follow it. Oh, one in the bushes. Well, you know, we got to follow a rabbit. I think it lives there. I'm convinced it lives there. I don't know. And there's a bird. Those are my friends. And that's me chasing rabbits.